Best practices for cleaning and maintaining asbestos floors, presented by UA Safe State. Does your building contain vinyl asbestos tiles, VAT? It's one of the most common types of asbestos-containing materials in schools and commercial buildings, especially if built before 1990. There are many things you can do to minimize the release of asbestos fibers from the tile and lower the risk of occupants developing asbestos-related health issues. A fiber release is not likely to occur if the tile is in good condition. However, routine floor care and maintenance activities can cause tile to wear down and release fibers. In order to properly maintain and clean vinyl asbestos tile, follow these tips. First, take steps to control debris tracked in by building occupants. Abrasion from debris can scuff and damage floors. Consider putting mats at all entranceways, high traffic areas, and common areas such as a cafeteria, break room, or gym. Outdoor areas such as parking lots and sidewalks should be swept regularly to reduce the amount of debris tracked in. Second, to prevent wear and tear to the tile, don't allow furniture movement to scuff floors. Rolling chairs should have mats underneath, and all other chairs and movable furniture should have padding on the feet. Third, during maintenance and cleaning activities, always use the least abrasive material to reduce damage to the vinyl asbestos tile, and always work wet. Wet mopping is the best choice. Do not use abrasive materials at all on dry or unfinished floor. Fourth, use the lowest speeds possible for power-operated cleaning equipment. Studies have shown that higher equipment speeds increase the chance of releases. Fifth, vinyl asbestos tile stripping and waxing should be done infrequently, but at a regular schedule. Once per year or less is recommended. Sixth, to soften the floors before machine stripping, mop with a mix of chemical stripper and water. After stripping, thoroughly clean the floor while it's wet, then apply 2 to 3 coats of sealer, followed by several thin coats of a high percentage solid finish. Seventh, don't forget closets and other often overlooked places. If your floor stripping liquid touches these areas and they are not cleaned and waxed, the unwaxed tile will wear away very quickly and lead to a release. Eighth, be sure to properly train your custodial and maintenance personnel. They should know how to safely operate the machines, pads, and chemicals that are used on the tile in the building. Protect your building occupants and start using these best practices today. If you have any more questions on maintenance and cleaning related to asbestos-containing materials, contact us at UA Safe State. We are here to help.